session, and I'm Achyuta Sharma and I lead user research at Meesho, and today I'm joined by Kirti Varun, who is the Chief Product Officer at Meesho. In my experience, Kirti, when we started with user research as a function, we never spent time in actually convincing anyone of why user research is really required. But I wanted to understand from your point of view, why did you feel to invest in user research?
So user research in my mind is extremely important in a product-led company like Meesho. The core of our strategy is around targeting users who never experienced online commerce before, were just coming online. When you're trying to build a product which caters to a population like this, understanding this population, knowing that it is very heterogeneous, knowing that their needs are going to be very different, and solving them using first principles is going to be tough. Given all of these nuances, I think investing in understanding these users and investing in user research as a function to enable this, to me, was almost a no-brainer.
Right, and where do you think now user research can value add further going forward at Meesho?
Sure. I think to me, as I look ahead, there are 2-3 important things where user research I think will continue to add value. I think the most important one is bringing an objective and unbiased perspective to understanding users. In the second area of value add, which I've not seen a lot of companies do very well at, is user research shaping the product strategy and roadmap. The third one, which I think is also equally important, is how does the user research team build a culture of research within the company, which means that even outside of what a user research team can do themselves, how do they democratize the process of understanding users and generating insights? How do they build the tools, mechanisms, processes so that anybody is able to do that at a much higher level of quality than they would have before?
And one of the ways which we will continue to do also, Kirti, is that we will try and build more depth of user insights through our own methodologies, raise the bar. I think influencing stakeholders, shaping the strategy, working through different teams, right, to really collaborate and influence a solution. I think that's a tough area, but I also think that's the most exciting area, which very few researchers have that opportunity. And I think democratizing the tools and practice, and I think that's something which we also intend to build through toolkits and learning programs and training, which researchers could sort of support different business teams to carry forward their own sort of user-first understanding. So the other aspect which I wanted to also cover was cross-functional learning.
From a user researcher standpoint, how do you think they have learned and gotten better at their own skills by interacting with our product and design teams?
Because we have improved our own understanding of breaking down a problem. So I think that's one big area. The second is also looking at a complex 0 to 1 product. So once we have conducted the research, how do we make the insights much more actionable? I think product folks have added a lot of value in making an insight 10 times more actionable. And I think the third area is that we're tracking the impact of our insights, and that doesn't happen unless we closely collaborate with product and design. So this has been of great value add for researcher, and any researcher coming into Meesho, right, would be able to experience this from the beginning to the end. So I think that's been a huge learning experience. So I wanted to also cover another area was, we've talked about hiring quality talent, attracting the best of talent to Meesho. What are the areas of competency which you think is very important from a researcher perspective, which could be a further value add of what we've talked about before?
Sure, happy to talk about that. I think one, probably to me the most important one, is the problem first mindset, which is being able to look at every problem through a fresh lens, right? The other one, other skill which I think is also important is the ability to structure a problem. A user researcher should be able to say that, look, how do I break this down? How do I make this a manageable problem to solve? How do I look at each part of the problem separately and figure out how to get insights to validate or invalidate?
Right.
To me, I think that's another skill that user researchers definitely will need to be successful.
Right. But I think one of the areas is to really gain that product and business context, right? And I think that's an expectation which we hope. And I think that starts with also a researcher asking very basic fundamental questions even when they look at data. The second is, again, in terms of using these insights into a larger decision-making framework. There could be some other interesting frameworks and solutions which product and design can take forward, and they do not need to go back to look at more and more research in understanding their problem, and it will also overall take them to look at solutions at the next level. How can I improve what the existing solution is or the existing product is? So thank you so much for spending this time and sharing your insights with the team. Thank you for watching this interactive session, and I hope you all apply for this great opportunity. And Kirti, if you would like to also share, something about why researchers should apply at Meesho.
I think user research at Meesho, I think, is a great opportunity. There are very few products in the country who can claim that their user base is 1 billion people, and Meesho is one of them. Being here, solving problems of these users is a fantastic opportunity.